Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send XRP from your Arculus wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know XRP is a fast and efficient digital asset, and with Revolut's seamless integration, transferring it has never been easier. Whether you're cashing out or moving funds, this guide will get you there quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you have the latest Arculus Wallet app installed on your device. It's crucial for 2025's enhanced security features. You'll also need a verified Revolut account with XRP support enabled. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. This keeps your assets safe from any prying eyes. Once inside, navigate to your XRP holdings by selecting the Assets tab and choosing XRP from your portfolio. Step 2. Tap on the Send button for XRP. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and copy your XRP wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's a common pitfall in 2025's blockchain world. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the address into the recipient field, then enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Remember, factor in any network fees. XRP transactions are usually low cost, but they can vary. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. You'll see a summary of the amount, fees, and final recipient. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the send with your wallet's security measures. Step 5. Wait for the confirmation. In 2025, XRP transactions are lightning fast, often under a minute, but keep an eye on your Arculus app for the status update. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to verify the XRP has arrived in your account. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XRP smoothly. If you run into any issues, like network congestion, reach out to Arculus support or Revolut's help center. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.